Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Pepe, see what really is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So as of June 24th, 2023, as you know, it's a Saturday. We are currently sitting at 154. We still have about 5 zeros in front of the price, down about 7.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up 6% in, we're also down 6% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $655.3 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $364.1 million. So the question that might be on everyone's mind, what exactly is next and what is happening with the price? So that's what we're going to discuss. But before we do that, let's look at the Twitter following count, guys. 333.6k followers. We've increased once again over the last 24 hours. 10,000 new followers are coming onto Pepe's Twitter, and that is huge. But if we're looking at its of course, holder count, 124,000 holders, and this is something we've been talking about on my channel over the past few weeks, and it's starting to show. And it's not a surprise to me at all. Remember what I've said about Pepe. I think Pepe is the next Shiba Inu, and it's going to be pumped up really, really crazy, especially when the retail FOMO comes in, which we haven't even seen. We haven't even seen 10% of that happening as of now. After the Bitcoin halving, things can really heat up super fast, and I really think Pepe is going to shock a lot of people, and it has already shocked a lot of people over the past week when it has pumped up 100% over a period of a week. And that shows how fast the crypto markets can move. And this holder count increase is not shocking me at all. But now let's get right into the price. We're going to be discussing what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So looking at its market cap, $645.7 million. The overall volume is still really, really high, which is a good thing to see. So what exactly is happening next? So beautiful. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Yeah, you've heard that correct. I am really, really liking what I'm seeing right now. Now, you may be saying, Crypto ZX, are you crazy? Why do you like this? Why are you liking this? We're going down. But look, we are being supported by this white support line. And the support line just on the 22nd, 2 days ago, was coming up in our wave when we were breaking towards the upside. We got a few rejections out of that. But it's holding this time around, and we are creating higher highs and higher lows, and that shows we're in an upward trend. And this is exactly what you want to be seeing happening, especially when you break out of a level of resistance, a massive level of resistance. You want that resistance to turn into support, and as of now, you can see this for yourself. We've been, since breaking out, oops, that's not the Fibonacci retracement. Oopsies here, let's go back. There we go. Look, we've been supported by here a few times already now, and this is playing as a level of support, and this is beautiful. I love seeing that, because look at this. Let's look at this. If you picked up some Pepe around the June 5th prices, which we were talking about, below that level of resistance, you are up right now. Even after a cool off, even after a little bit of a consolidation, you're still up 83%. 83%. What does this show us? Coins can move up very fast in this space, especially the hyped ones. As you can tell, I'm not too excited and I can't even talk at this point. But anyways, if we look at it from its monthly high, which is 1768 cents mark, if we bring it from that range, it's seeing a little bit of a cool off of 13.3%. Totally okay. After having an 83% cool off, 83% pump, a 13% retracement is totally okay. And remember this, Bitcoin is also seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price, which is causing all the altcoins, not just Pepe. Let me show you right now. All the altcoins right now over the last 24 hours are down. You guys can see this for yourself. Of course, you're going to say, oh, there's Kawa, that's up. I'm talking majority of the coins are affected by the BTC retracement. And remember, dominance is approaching 52%. So these are some factors you need to be looking at when examining coins that you're holding. And you need to know how they correlate with Bitcoin. How does dominance work? These are important indexes that you need to be using when you are, doing analysis on the price. And see, guys, I am too excited right now. So apologies on me not being able to talk. But anyways, what I'm trying to see now for Pepe is something like this. So if we were to retest this level of support, I want to see a bounce. I want to see a bounce, and I want to be supported by this range. And this is exactly what we want to be doing, because look, we do have support built up from May, which is playing, of course, as a level of support also, which is strengthening this level for the price of Pepe. But really nice to see what it's doing right now. And of course, if Bitcoin were to turn around, I like what Bitcoin is doing also. Bitcoin is obviously consolidating after hitting a new yearly high. And I think the main reason as to why Pepe is even down right now is because of the fact that Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a cool off and dominance is really high. But what we want to be seeing is consolidate above this support line. That's what I want to see happen. And of course, if Bitcoin were to turn things around for itself and start hitting a new yearly high, everyone be prepared for Pepe to also start hitting some levels around here. Of course, the main target is still that 2067 cents mark. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that's almost a 50% move. So 34.43% move for Pepe. And that can happen faster than a lot of people think. That would put Pepe, I think, roughly close to $1 billion mark, or just a little above $1 billion. So that would be insane. Of course, I'm expecting a rejection when we get to that level. We might see a little bit of a cool off happening, because that is a massive level of resistance for the price of Pepe. But when we break out of there, guys, that's where things are going to start looking really insane. But at the same time, if you're sitting at some massive profits and you do not want to end up losing profits in case Bitcoin were to go down like crazy, whales manipulated, because of course CME futures are closed. Today is the weekend and manipulation can occur in the crypto space. So if you want to be just not be able to have your profits wiped out, have a stop loss in place. If you're on an exchange, put a stop loss in. So if you think you are okay for the price to drop down to this 1.415 cents mark, but you're not okay for it to drop below that, then put a stop loss around this range. So in case the price were to drop lower than that, your profits are saved. So when the prices do drop, you can pick it up. That's a best risk measure that you could put in place. But these are part of the moves that you could expect when Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a cool off, and that's exactly what we're seeing happening. So the next few hours could be very important, but I like how the support line did play as a level of support for us for about 5 different times. But that is it for my analysis. Of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything urgent were to happen. But let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think happening with Pepe, where you could see the prices going at the end of next month, because we're approaching the month of July very shortly. So I want to hear from you guys where you could see the prices going then. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support. I love each and every one of you guys, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.